everyone, welcome back to Mommy Shelly's Kitchen. For today we are going to make embutido. What are the ingredients we have here? Of course, we have ground pork. You can make ground chicken, whatever meat you want. We have here white onions, carrots, pepper, red bell pepper, and then we have garlic. And then we have breadcrumbs, flour. We have 2 eggs, raisins, milk. We have 3 boiled eggs already for our inside decoration. We have black pepper, and we have garlic and pepper. Okay, so we're just going to mix our ingredients into this bowl. So we'll put our ground pork. We'll put the ground pork here. Transfer it. And then add the ingredients: garlic, pepper, carrot, and the onions. We are going to put just a little bit of soy sauce. Let's put the eggs, 2 eggs. Let's put the garlic salt seasoning with little pepper in here. But we're gonna add just the pepper. We'll add the pepper. Add the let's put a teaspoon of sugar. Let's add the raisins. Let's mix it up again. Let's add the milk, little milk, and the flour, the breadcrumbs with the dried parsley in here, and the flour. And then mix. You can also use your hands with, just put on your gloves. I usually do that, but for today I'm just going to use this spoon to that. Okay. And then we're gonna put our eggs in here before we're going to roll it. That would be perfect. And we'll just roll it like this. Tighten it when you roll it. I was thinking I'm gonna save the foil, but anyway, we're gonna roll the whole thing. And then when you're done, you can just close this. You can fill this one by twisting it a little bit and do the same on the other side. There. Okay. Let's set it aside. That's one. And do the same thing for the rest of it. Alright, we're gonna steam our embutido. Let's put it in here. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, perfect. Let's cover it and steam it for 45 minutes. Alright, I'll see you later. Alright, after 45 minutes, let's check it out. That smells so good. Okay, so we're gonna let it cool down and we'll see how it looks like later. So here is our final embutido. I already arranged it on the plate. So I'm planning. I also have my homemade kimchi. So I thought, maybe kimchi would go with this. You know, you can always make your own, but I love kimchi as well. So I am going to put the kimchi in here. Make sure that we're there. There you go. I think I made it for like, it's been 2 weeks now. So this one tastes really good. That would be perfect. And another scoop right there. So here's the kimchi. Here's the kimchi. There you go. Decorated with cucumbers and the kimchi, homemade kimchi. I hope you had a great time cooking with me, and if you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you all next time. Happy cooking, everyone, and thank you all for watching.